The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
Next, we're focusing on question number 17. 17 is similar to 16 in that it asks you, it gives you a formula and it asks you for the chemical's name. So it says, name the following compound. And it gives us KClO. So we know that K is called potassium. So the biggest challenge for this is to find out what ClO is. So we know that we could break it up to K plus and ClO minus. Now a lot of you might be a little bit confused about ClO minus because when we look at all the chlorides, we have ClO4, ClO3, ClO2, and ClO minus. ClO4 is called perchlorate. ClO3 is called chlorate. ClO2 is called chlorite. And ClO minus is called hypochlorite. So once we differentiate which of the following it is, and we see that it's ClO minus, not ClO2 or ClO3, we know that we're dealing with hypochlorite, not monochlorite. There's no such thing as called monochlorite. Number one says potassium chlorite. Well, potassium chlorate would look like KClO3. So answer choice number one is not possible. Potassium 1 hypochlorite. Answer choice number 5. Potassium is not a metal. Therefore, there's never a Roman numeral associated with a metal. Excuse me. Potassium is not a transition metal. Potassium is followed under the alkali metals, and there's also the alkaline earth metals. So potassium is a metal, but it's not a transition metal. Therefore, it's not associated with any of the Roman numerals. And potassium chlorite would look like KClO2. So our answer for this, KClO minus, is potassium hypochlorite, and that is designated by answer choice number 2. So remember, let me reiterate, just so somebody doesn't go back and say, he said potassium is not a metal. Potassium is a metal, it's just not a transition metal. Therefore, it's not associated with any Roman numerals, like in question number 5. Monochlorite is not a possible answer choice. Chlorite is ClO2, and chlorate is ClO3. Therefore, the answer is potassium hypochlorite for question 17.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.